What's up guys, I'm Ryan.
And I'm Kelsey.
And we are with New Build Newlyweds, and today we are at Ryobi and gonna show you how to mount a TV.
This is a super easy project that sometimes people tend to overthink.
Yes.
So we're just gonna show you how easy it is.
All right, so the first thing you wanna do before mounting the TV is finding the studs.
Yes, because the last thing you want is your TV to fall off the wall while you're watching it. So we wanna make sure that we drill into the studs so it's going to be nice and sturdy on the wall.
And we're gonna use this lovely device for that.
Which is a stud finder. And there's the other one.
All right, we got our two centers of the stud. Now that we found the studs, we are gonna get the bracket, put it up there, make sure it's level, and then mark out the spots we need to, drill them out, screw it in.
And hang the TV.
Yeah.
Easy peasy.
So now I gotta do the pilot holes before we put the screws in. Now that we have the pilot holes drilled, we're gonna get the lag bolts, drill the bracket into the pilot holes we already have, and level it off.
So the bracket is all level. Now we can mount the bracket to the back of the TV. Make sure you have the proper size screws to do the job because you want to make sure this is installed properly and it's nice and secure.
So usually you don't want to use an impact on these kind of bolts because you don't want to rip the insert out, so it's best to do it hand tight every single time with this screwdriver. Each mounting bracket kit has spacers depending on what kind of TV you have or what kind of cords you have sticking out, so if you need to move it away from that wall just that little bit, it comes with different size bolts and spacers. But in this situation, we don't need to use that, and we're just using the standard bolts.
Okay.
All right, so the last step, mounting the TV onto the wall. You straight?
Yes.
All right, final step. Ta-da. Look at that, good job. And that is how you mount a TV. Fairly simple, huh?
Yeah, and it totally elevates the space. Literally elevated the TV. Subscribe to the channel and we will see you guys next time.
See ya.